everyone, today I would like to teach you how to do combined transformation. So let's read the question. Transformation N is a translation -1, -4, and transformation M is a rotation 90-degree clockwise, center -1, 2. So state the coordinates of the image of point 3, -2. That means 3, -2 is an object, right? Okay, so we will use 3, -2. We want to do N2. That means we need to do translation twice. Let's go to 3, -2. Where's 3, -2? Let's label 3 here, -2 here. This is a point, -2, right? Okay, let me choose a point. I want green color. Object always green, huh? So I'm going to do how many times? I'm going to do translation twice. So first bring to 1 unit to left, go down. How many? 4, -4 here, -1, right? Okay, we have do one translation, -1, -4 already, right? Now we do another one, which is another time -1, 1, 2, 3. Oh, not enough. Have to go down some more. -10. This is -9, -10. So we are at the 1, still at 1, 1 and -10, right? So that means we have just now we have the first image, which is 2, -6. Okay, this one will have 1 mark. This one is 1 mark. Okay, in SPM exam they will give you the answer if they see 2, -6 here, not seen. They will give you 1 mark. Then final answer 2 marks. That means if your this answer wrong, they will give you this one 1 mark. Okay, understand? So you better write down the answer like this: 2, -6, so that they can see your 2, -6. Sometimes they can't see. You work it, but you never show 2, -6. Okay, this is the final image, huh? Okay, now we go to next one. They say for the second part, KLMN is the image of ABCD under transformation U. PQRS is the image of KLMN under transformation V. So we have KLMN, U, PQRS, V. The same referring to the same one, isn't it? PQRS. Okay, what I mean is KLMN is the image of ABCD. KLMN, that means this one is KLMN. This is the image. That means the object is, let's do one by one. This is the object. Alright, from object, from green to red, we will do refraction, isn't it? Yeah, so it's quite easy. You can find the midpoint between them. So this is the line, refraction on the y-axis. Okay, so they say this is U. So that means U is a refraction. Later we will write in full, reflection in the y-axis. Okay, after that, then they say what they say. They say PQRS is the image of KLMN. So okay, this PQRS I use a purple color. Is the image for the, now this one become the object. Alright, this one become image. So it seems like it's from big become small. So under the transformation V, right? So it's enlargement, right? It's enlargement. So we is enlargement, and we notice that is actually the size become smaller, right? So the scale factor we can choose scale factor K is image is here 2 over here is 4, right? 2 over 4, 1 over 2, but it's actually opposite side, right? One upward, one downward, so it should be negative. So scale factor will it will be negative half, right? Because the image becomes smaller. Okay, now the problem is how to find the center of enlargement. Now I'm going to show you how to find the center of enlargement. It's very easy. You just choose the corresponding point. So let's say we can choose any of the point that we want. We can choose point okay, let's say we choose point, this one is we choose point N. Okay, K, L, M, N, the last point. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. So the corresponding point, you must choose the right one. So this one we draw a line. P, Q, R, S. Okay, N and S. And then we can choose R if we want. We can choose the R. Okay, so we draw the line. Okay, it's here, right? It seems like it's okay, we choose another one. We choose this one, the sharp one. It's here. Okay, it's not clear. I show you again. So I want to show you how to find the center of enlargement. So let's say we have the point P. P is K. K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S. So we draw a line. Okay, K, L will go to Q. So if you got ruler, you can draw the line like that. Okay, I'm not sure. The point is out a bit, so I will, because I don't have ruler, be somewhere around here. Okay, so I have to draw a line properly so that you can see they intersect at the right point. Okay, if you choose other point, all the points should have actually passed through that point. So the point is at -1 here and -1 here. -1, right? So we can say that is enlargement. This is a very good question. Enlargement. How you write your answer? You must write enlargement. Scale factor -half. See or not? -half. Center -1. That is how you write the answer. Note that the marks will be given for enlargement. Scale factor must have -1/2. Or you have enlargement, center also must be there. If you write enlargement with center, no scale factor, they give you 2 marks only. If you write enlargement with scale factor without the center, they will give you 2 marks. So you must have 3. Enlargement, scale factor with -half, must have scale factor with -half, must have center -1 to get the full marks. Okay, finally they will ask you to solve. Given that area of PQRS is 12, PQRS is the object, right? Or image. Okay, image is given 12. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay, that means you have to calculate the area of the object first, right? Okay, so we will use a object minus out the image. So let's show the step here. So image over object equal to k square. So let's say image is given 12, right? 12. This one is, let me show you the step. They give you this is 12, right? So let's say this is x. This is 1/2, -1/2 square. So 12 over x equal to 1/4. So that means object will be 48. Then shaded region, you have to take what? image minus out the object. You have to take the object minus out the image, which is 36. This one is the object. Image becomes smaller. Alright, so the answer will be after you calculated, the big one here is the object, which is 48. Then the image you get 12. So here 12 you have to minus out to get the shaded region one, which is 36. So the answer is 36, right? Yeah, you have to show this step. Okay, 1 mark will be given if you show the step like this, and then your final answer is 1 mark, 36, after you minus. Alright, so you must know how to get the marks for the transformation. Alright, so that's all my sharing for today. Till then, I will share with you more questions in my coming video. Bye bye and have a nice day.